Hey everybody, in this video we're going to demonstrate how to build the model that's on the cover of your Arckit 60 box. So why don't we get started? Here's how I've combined the various floor panels, this being the ground floor. This here is the first floor level, and I've used two low walls combined with a 2-module floor panel that's going to act as the stair landing, and then these two panels here are going to make up the second floor, and later on we're going to combine roof trusses and roof panels as well. So the first thing we need to do is to combine these floors using the link component. Generally what I do is I link at opposite ends of a panel at the bottom first, then I connect the second panel and I add two more links directly above the links that are below, and then this really stabilizes the two panels together, making it essentially one component. And I repeat that all the way. Okay, let's get started on the walls. I'll begin with the staircase. And the landing of the stairs. Now I'm just adding the low walls on top of the floor component, which is the stair landing. And as you can see, two low walls plus a floor panel equal the same height as a normal wall. This is the ground floor complete with walls and staircase. And next we need to put the first floor on top. I've already linked the floor panels together, and this is essentially how it would go, like this. I just wanted to point out, if you take it on the underside here, that there are no links in this location, simply because they'd get in the way of the walls which need to connect to the floor panel. And the same with this component here. As you can see, there's the door underneath, and that needs to connect in this location, so I haven't put a link. So one link on top is sufficient. Top of, so I'm using this location here, it's called a corner wall joint, and then between two walls we use the wall joint, and these can be used for various elements within a model design. They can be used to just create a double height space, or create a nice neat finish if you're creating an open room. It literally acts as a ring beam. Like that there. And I'll put in the first railing just to show you what I mean. So now that's sit down like that. I'm just going to add these two clear walls which I originally omitted from the ground floor. There we go. And we combine those on top with the wall joints, and again here with the corner wall joint. Very good. Now for the upper level, which is going to be the flat roof part of the model. Again, you just line up the pegs with the holes of the floor panel and you push down. Like that. The frameless corner doesn't have any support, as you can see, so you just need to push in like this. Okay. You link here and you link here. Okay. Now we need to put the trusses on top of this part of the model, here and here, but also we need to do it here and here. Now we've completed the first floor and added the roof trusses, as you can see. Now, anywhere there is a roof truss, you always need to put a corner wall joint so that it can sit on top of the wall. As you can see here in this particular location, we don't even have a corner wall joint. It's been supported by one corner wall joint over here, and that's sufficient. Once we begin to put the roof panels on top, this will add additional support. I wanted to point out, if you're finding it a little bit difficult to do all of this model as one integral piece, you can choose to do it in parts, this being one of them. So this is the sort of second floor cantilevered component, or part I should say, and you can retrofit this if you like. So again, I'll just demonstrate that. Let's put the roof panels on top of the roof truss first. Should only take a moment. You need 4 of these on either side. And it creates a really nice clean finish. And that's that more or less complete. Now, let's connect this once more. The way I'm doing it is literally just pushing upwards slightly, and then I just get my fingers in there to connect the links with the cantilever part, and there it's done. Now we can finish off the rest of the roof. And the roof is made up of the 2 module roof panel and the 3 module roof panel. Now we finish off the flat roof with the tile. One more here. And we've one cantilever part here, just which is a little feature on the end of the house. And now we've completed with the clear railings. There. And one more tile at the entrance. And that's more or less it. Now we just need to add our arc textures, and we can do that next. Next, you go to Arckit.com, head to the Architecture library, and if you're not already registered, just register online and it gives you access to all of these materials for you to print off and add to your models. Let's print this Kingspan shingle stainless steel and add it to the model. As simple as that. That's it.